YYLUUT, YYLUUT, YLUUT, however you pronounce it. Body camera. Things that are in the box. Camera itself. Instruction manual. It's not English. English. Memory card reader. Belt clip. Charging cable. And camera itself. Alright. So here we have about 1.5 inches in width, or 3 inches in height, and around a little less than an inch deep. In the front we have a lens, and the YLUUT badging. On the side we've got 3 buttons. The picture button to take pictures, the record, stop, the video record, stop and start button, and the microphone button to record audio. In the back we've got the screen. On the other side we've got the power button, and this button is for setting the menu options. I believe this is a reset button, you know, for if you have like a catastrophic crash or something like that and you need to reset the device. On the back you've got the screen. This is where you put the belt clip. On the bottom, you've got this is where you put the micro SD card. Micro SD card slot on the bottom. And you've got the micro USB port for charging and data transfer. On top, you've got nothing. This might be a microphone, I'm not sure. And this might be a microphone, I'm not sure. Oh, and something I didn't mention. These 3 keys. This is the menu key for navigating, you know, for going into the menu settings. And these are the navigation buttons to navigate the menu and also to rewind or fast forward through videos when you're playing it back on this device. So to turn it on, you hit this right here for 3 seconds and it starts. So then you want to go into your menu settings. To navigate through, you just go like this button to navigate through the different things in the menu. Got motion detection, you've got loop recording. So you've got 10 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. To escape, you just get out of that and go back. You got to format the SD card, screensaver, time date stamp. You can set whether or not you want that on or off. You can set the time and date. You can flip the display. I believe it's up, down. You can invert the display. Language, turn the beep sound on or off. I find it incredibly annoying, so I just turn it off. And that's it. So to start recording, you just hit this, and obviously it starts video recording. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. This is the quality. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. And to stop recording, hit that. Now to playback, go down here, go into the menu, and hit that playback. So then you hit it again, or start. And you can see it records it. It plays back the video. You can fast forward, just hold that down, or you can rewind. Hold that one down at the end. Rewind, fast forward, and that's it. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. This is the quality. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So to get out of it, go back to live view. You hit this button over here, the middle one, and you're back to live view now. Anyway, in terms of video quality, you know, not that terrific. This is only like 35 bucks or something like that. Some might say it looks like, you know, 90s camcorder footage, but it's not meant to be super high quality like a GoPro or anything like that. It's meant to document things that happen to you, you know, or like if you're doing food delivery service or something like that, things that happen to you, stuff like that. It's not supposed to be super high definition, super high quality, but for what it's meant to be, I think it does a pretty good job. You know, I'll insert some footage in this video, and you know, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it if you so desire. But yeah, it's a good little camera.
Yes, my phone.
15 on number 12.
Number 12?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we were sure it'll take a while to come in through the
Why? Where are you guys going?
checking.
It's not super high quality. It's not meant to be super high quality. But for 35 bucks, yeah, it does a pretty good job. When you're charging it, I'm just using a battery pack or power bank. When you're charging it, the LED is solid red to indicate charging. When it's fully charged, this LED will turn to solid blue. So it's red when it's charging, blue when it's finished charging and fully charged. As for battery life, they say 8 hours. I'm just realistically going to say, I don't know, maybe 5-6 hours, you know. So, I mean, they make a lot of claims and stuff like that, but they do it for marketing, you know. But, you know, the thing does fine. Oh, it's got no stabilization or anything like that, so just be mindful of that. Just make clip this in. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, I like this. It's nice and small. If you're doing like food deliveries or something like that, you could just put it on your waist. It's a nice little camera. 35 bucks on Amazon or something like that. It's under 40 bucks. Anyway, there'll be a link in the description where you can get it if you want. This is it. The YYLUUT body cam. Okay. Thanks for watching.